In today's video, we're going to take you along to Paxos, the Greek Tavern aboard the MSC World America. We're going to show you what it costs, what you get, and most importantly, is it any good? Let's dive in. Alright, so we have made it here to Paxos, the Greek Tavern, on board. And I'm interested to see exactly how this works. It looks like you have, and I'll throw the menu up here so you can see, it looks like you get to choose two appetizers from this selection here. And there's a cold selection and a hot selection. And then you have some entrees, and then you have some desserts. So I'm assuming you pick two of the appetizers, one entree, and one dessert.
Okay, so regarding the meal, okay,
yes.
You can get like your title for a two appetizer, one main course, and one dessert.
Perfect.
Okay. For my personal recommendation, Greek salad, hummus, and the watermelon for the cold one. For the hot one, moussaka, tiganita, and the grilled octopus. Cool. Okay. If you love cheese, the fried feta rolls, very nice. For the main dish, you can choose either C or N. The C, that means the fish. So all these fish listed on top is the one included in the package. Down below, there's a supplemental price of 20.
Gotcha.
Most of the fish, fillet, except for the fillet and grilled, okay, except for the red mullet, because this one's more smaller fish, so we serve with the bone.
Okay.
And for her, Madison, she can choose from here, okay? One main course, together with the side, and
perfect.
The calamari.
Calamari. Okay.
And the crispy fries.
And fries, okay. And for your sweet ending?
The orange cake.
Orange cake.
Orange cake.
Good job.
Good job.
Say thank you.
Looks very smart, this lady.
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, so Robert, for you?
If I could do the Greek salad, and I'm going to do the octopus, and then I'll do the lamb chops.
Okay, how you like it done? Medium, medium rare, medium well?
We'll just do medium.
And for dessert?
The baklava. Perfect. Thank you. Well, Paxos was an amazing dinner, and for $45 an adult and $12 a kid, I think it is worth every penny. Now, they do have seating inside and outside on the World Promenade if it's a beautiful day out. It was a little warm when we were there, so we decided to do inside, but you can choose either. And as you can see, it really wasn't that busy when we went. All in all, Paxos at the World America, I would say, was a delicious dinner, and I would definitely do it again. That's all I got for you today. My name's Rob with Here Today, Where Tomorrow, and we will see you there. If you like this video and want to see more, please head on over to the channel and subscribe. I post new cruising videos every week.